Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Kubota tractor. Before you even think about starting your Kubota, it's crucial to perform a few quick checks. Always ensure your fluid levels, like engine oil and coolant, are optimal. Take a moment to inspect your tires for correct pressure, usually around 20 to 25 psi, and confirm all safety guards are secure. Finally, make sure your surroundings are clear of any obstructions or people. These simple steps ensure a safe and smooth operation. Now, let's get your Kubota running. First, always sit comfortably in the operator's seat and secure your seatbelt. Before turning the key, confirm the parking brake is engaged and the gear lever is in neutral. Once those are set, turn the key to the on position, then to start to fire up the engine. Take a moment to locate the throttle, clutch, and brake pedals. Understanding their function is key to smooth operation. With the engine running, it's time to drive. Fully depress the clutch pedal and select a low forward gear, like first or second. As you slowly release the clutch, gently apply the throttle to begin moving forward. Remember, the foot throttle controls your speed, and the brake pedal is for slowing down or stopping. When shifting, always depress the clutch completely before moving the gear lever to ensure a smooth transition. Finally, let's cover stopping and shutting down your Kubota safely. First, reduce your engine speed by easing off the throttle. Then, depress both the clutch and brake pedals simultaneously to bring the tractor to a complete stop. Once stopped, engage the parking brake and ensure the gear selector is in neutral. Lastly, turn the ignition key to the off position to power down the engine. Always remove the key for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.